Hello lovelies, it's the Gothic Elf and welcome back to my channel. So here is today's makeup tutorial and it is a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Using NYX's Jumbo Pen in shade Milk, I'm just going to apply that all over my lid and blend it out with my fingers, just like that when I put my eyeshadows over it, they will come out more vibrant. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and a burgundy color and just apply that into my crease. Now I'm just picking which glitter I want and I've decided to go with this very hot pink one. And here's my failed attempt at showing you guys how pigmented it is. Now I'm applying it mostly in my inner corner. I'm now going to go and create my winged eyeliner. I decided to go with more of a flat one this time than an angled one. Now I'm going to darken up my crease with more of a purple shade this time. I'm going to be blending it upwards towards my eyebrow instead of along with my winged eyeliner. Using an angled brush and Kat Von D's Alchemist palette in shade Opal, and I'm just going to be highlighting my inner corner. I also use the same highlighter for my eyebrow highlight and my cheek highlight. Applying that same dark purple, and I'm just really going to put it over the glitter a little bit on the outer corner and blending it into the inner corner. And more blending. Again, I am blending it closer to my eyebrow in an angle instead of following my winged eyeliner. Going in with the red and an angled brush, putting it under my waterline, and I'm dragging it further than my winged eyeliner. And I'm also going to go in with a darker purple and applying that directly under my waterline. I'm going to be using Too Faced Melted Matte, and this is in shade Lady Balls, and I'm just applying that all over my lips. I thought just one color was going to be boring, so I grabbed the first lipstick that I could find, and it just so happened to be the NYX in shade Oh Put It On. I'm using Lady Balls in the center to blend out the shade by NYX. Now I'm just putting on some jewels on my inner corner. I also put one above my Cupid's bow, but you don't have to do that. That was just for my own amusement. After that, all I'm going to do is apply some lashes. These are from e.l.f. and cue the eyelash glue in the eye. Let's watch that in slow-mo. It's so sexy, right? And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a like, click that subscribe button that's up top, down below, or wherever you guys are watching it from to become part of the Dark One Army and to join me in my everyday weirdness. Also follow me on my most active social media, Instagram.